Hey, wanted to shoot a video of a product that should have just arrived for most people who weren't like an influencer or beta testing these, I guess. And that is from a company who, this is the first product I've bought of theirs personally, Plaud. They make some like AI kind of voice recorder type devices. So this is their latest, which is called the Note Pro. So it just arrived to me today, and I pre-ordered the first day they had it. They were offering a deal on, I think, 600 minutes for the transcription. Here is that. Looks very sleek. I think some of the upgrades that it has over the original Plaud Note is this little top part has like a, I don't know if it's OLED, but like a screen on it. So that's something that's different. But yeah, so let's see if we can't get it open. And like I said, this is my first product from Plaud. I have seen how they've kind of branched out this product to also include a version that you can wear on, like, I want to say a wristwatch and a pendant, just some other ways you can wear the device instead of just having it, I guess, on your phone or whatever the standard way to do it is. Sorry, I was not prepared with anything to actually open this. But I like the packaging. Seems premium, and they have the little very nice pull tab here. Worked out really well. But for some reason it still doesn't allow the easiest access. So it kind of has a fold out, a quick start guide, as Flossie would say, follow your books. Wow, this is actually much smaller than I could even have imagined. I'm not sure what I was expecting, but I'm not even sure it's going to be able to capture just how thin the device is. It's remarkable. And there's the charger. Now I'm thinking that there might be a proprietary charger, which is fine. Let's see. And then, so it comes with, I got the black one, comes with a black magnetic case, so you can put it on the back of your iPhone, which is interesting. And then if you don't have MagSafe, it looks like they include a 3M, so you can stick it on anything else, I guess. And then the charger, nice braided but seemingly proprietary charger here. It's probably the second proprietary charger I have to keep a hold of these days now that I'm on the latest iPhone that has USB-C. So I think I have a Geo wallet from Extra that has a similar kind of system that's proprietary, so slightly unfortunate but not too crazy. And then let's see what's in this one. This one might be, if you pre-ordered, you got an additional, yeah, this is the, I want to say dark blue. It's another case that you can stick it in, and it's blue, so I'm just mutilating this box here. But yeah, feels nice. It's faux leather, so, and it includes another 3M. But this is the, I'm not sure what they're calling that blue, but the dark blue versus the black. I think I'll probably use the black, but yeah, let's put that. I'm actually gonna grab my phone. Let's see. I'm rocking the 17 Pro Max in the Cosmic Orange. So here's what it looks like. It has this little, and yeah, it's so thin. And I do have a MagSafe wallet that I carry right here. It's the Geo Lock by ESR, and you can see it has kind of like a similar plugging, like a charging system, but even my MagSafe wallet is just so thick compared to how slim this is. It's just hard to capture it on film, I guess. But yeah, so it's got a little button here. Like I said, this is my first one, so I'm not sure what. As you can see, you got the nice little logo there. So I'm supposed to pair this to the phone, and we'll do that once I get a chance. But yeah, here is the Plaud Note Pro. It looks just ridiculously small. So Now, I'm not sure what the easiest way is to get this back out of this little case here. So you kind of don't want to just jam your fingers on the little screen there. So I don't know. I'll figure that out later. But yeah, I think for now I'll probably go with the black over that blue just because the device itself is black. But man, it is sleek, and can't wait to start using this in my workflows and just, you know, we'll see what it all looks like, and I'll do a long-term review as well as always. But yeah, this is it. It's tiny, but hopefully I'll get some good use out of it. Stay tuned.